What is it called?
Minaudere.
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 Adair.
Chanel.
Minaudere.
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 Rocket ship bag. Hi guys, it's Julie, Juju Sparkle Bean. Welcome back to my channel. So, we have something exciting to open today, and it is this package from, guess where? DHGATE. This took forever to come. I'm going to say about 3 weeks from DHGATE. And before I open this package, I just wanted to go ahead and give you a little background on this special item. Of course, this is not the original. I'm just going to put it out there. This is a highly collectible runway black lucite crystal rocket ship evening bag that Chanel came out with in their fall winter line in 2017. So the estimated value for if this was the real runway black lucite crystal rocket ship evening bag would run about between $8,000 to $10,000. Now, think about that for a second. What could you buy for $8,000 to $10,000? Would you buy a rocket ship bag, or would you use it for something else? I bet you're saying I would probably use it for something else. So, but I did some research, and lo and behold, I found a replica. I shouldn't even say that because I don't even think it's going to even be close to a bag that maybe even costs that much. So let's take out our trusty scissors. Wow. I think it looks more like something out of the future. Look at this. Wow. Holy moly. Check it out. Like, look at this. Wow. Okay. First and foremost, the original has, like, this part would be like Chanel, but this is not, and it has 2 circles, but it's done really nicely, as you can see. And it looks like it has a little bit of a sparkle rhinestone action going. Ooh, look at this. It has Coco Chanel on there, or what it appears to look like Coco Chanel. It's really pretty, you guys. Look at that. And then the opening here. So it doesn't have Chanel anywhere on it, on this bag. Closes just like that, has a little snap closure. Oh, cute. Look at the, this would be the blast off part. The original Chanel has Chanel hanging little logos, but this one's really adorable. It has hanging chains with a little bit of pearl action going on here. Really pretty. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the side of it. It has bling going on through just like the Chanel bag. And it has Chanel, or what appears to be looking like Chanel here. And it's done in some sparkly type of design. The back looks like this. And looking to see if it came with, it's supposed to come with, obviously, how you can carry the handbag. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. So you press this. Hold on. Oh, you just kind of press this lever down here. And voila. Oh, there's the chain. And isn't this the neatest bag? You can use it on your vanity. And you could just carry it around. This is very different and very unique. So it's shaped like a rocket ship. So it's going to, comes with this really nice, very nice chain here, although you can switch it out for probably a higher quality chain. You attach it to the top here of your handbag. And then the back part right here is where you would clip the other part. And let me just go ahead and do that. So I don't mind how much I paid for this. This is super cute. This little rocket ship handbag. And then it looks like this. Now, tell me that is not adorable, you guys. It's so cool. And it has a little window so it's clear so you can see inside what's in your handbag. Or even on this side, it looks like Chanel's on her, she's Coco Chanel's in her rocket ship. Super cute. Let me see if I could just kind of show you what this looks like on. Let me kind of do a little shot here. Oops. Okay, so it looks like this. So you can see. And it's so cool. I'm gonna cut this tag here. So it's, what do you think? Okay, crossbody. And it falls just nicely right on my hip. Just gonna do a little lower shot. So, anyways, so that is my Chanel rocket ship handbag unboxing. I love things that are unusual and different. And I think this is super unusual, super cute, very kitschy, and very different. I really love this detail right here. So you can see. Really adorable. Anyway, it would have been really cool if it did have Chanel on there, but it's okay. So, all right. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. And I'll see you guys on my next video. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do. I really would love that. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I really appreciate that you watch my videos. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.